Today's message is for the Virgo. I hear womb man. Manifestations, it's here. Today's date is Monday the 11th. So today is September 11th. There's a tower moment today. September 11th. Virgo. Coming out strong, Virgo. This is what I want to see in my deck. This is what I want to see in my deck. I want to see cards facing upright at the bottom. Okay, you got manifestations. It's here. Glory. You could be seeing a lot of 4s. You could be seeing 12, 12. Coming out triumphant. Could have just gotten your hair done. Okay, this one came out already. Healthcare. Something's a perfect match. Okay, you're being set up. I'm hearing future rates. Okay, you could be going over insurance quotes right now. A masculine energy. I'm hearing the word practice. You could be in the healthcare field. You could be a prominent member of the healthcare field. You might be on the administration. Like I'm seeing a panel. Matter of fact, let's shuffle these. We're going to see what card we get first. One of these true or false. And then we're going to build off of that. That's going to set the tone for the rest of your reading, Virgo. Shuffling for Virgo. This one flipped. Okay, we got he saw the best. Okay, I hear homie use a window shopper. What is these two? Okay, that's them. Okay, so where these two come from? Okay. Oh, this is not by mistake or coincidence. You getting 12 birds? Somebody could be a shooter. I'm hearing Buckeye. There's a pattern that has just literally shifted, okay? Liar, cheater, manipulator. 24 elders. Virgo. Illusion. We got true in the reverse and false. Little white lies. By a false prophet. Or a false healer. Little white lies being told. This could be on you, Virgo, who's being represented in the spiritual realm as a healer. Or there's Virgos telling little white lies on someone who's represented in the spirit. I'm hearing as the Antichrist. I'm hearing spiritual leader. Somebody's paying for something. Something is catching up to someone. Something's catching up. Somebody's being watched. Look at the eyes. I'm seeing TD Jakes, Virgo. I'm hearing the inspiration of. Let's see what's hitting, because didn't nothing flip here. I hope you can see the whole picture here. Hold up. Hold up, Virgo. Let me see if I turn this light off. That might be better lighting. Okay. So, something is coming out of the shadows. Something that was hidden is about to be seen. Something's coming to the light. I'm hearing the word magnificent. So I feel like this is going to be shocking. Something has to do with a magician or manipulation. Yeah, manipulator. Okay, in my mind's eye, I see the Emperor. All of a sudden, out of nowhere. Access is being granted. I feel like there's so much going on. Because I feel like there's so much going on, but at the same time, it's real simple. Something is meant to draw a wool over your eyes. Something is literally an illusion. Something poses false hope. I'm hearing whoever this is for, you'll get it. I'm hearing tens of thousands. Whoever this is for, you'll get it. Now, I don't know. I just mixed the Kipper deck with this imagery deck. Yeah, somebody's going to be saddened. Somebody's returning, though. I'm hearing sealed with a kiss and a wedding ring. Virgo. Virgo, I feel like there's so many messages. Who is this message for, Holy Spirit? Can we get the dynamics of the individuals? I see the color purple, blue, sky blue, powder blue, yellow, orange. I see hair bows. Somebody could have a little girl. You could have did her hair in ponytails and put bows on them. Somebody's name could be Shanika. Hey, somebody could be sick. You could be laying in a bed watching this when you see this. I'm hearing smoke in a square. Somebody here, you're going to see somebody choking. This could be a child. Whether you, I don't feel like this is in real time. I feel like you see it on a video. What came out for you was great fortune in the reverse, official person, and privileged lady. Hold on, let me clarify something. "24 Elders, what is these 3 cards telling me for the Virgo? Sharpie, you're on the money, spot on in the reverse. Something does not have the blessing, I'm hearing, of the Holy One. What, 22, 12, 12, 22 could be significant. I feel like if you see that number, I'm talking to you. Yup, locksmith in the reverse. Look, I just seen 12, 22 on the phone. So something is not for me. I am a part of this collective as well, Virgo. Somebody could work for the Humane Society. But wait a minute, Virgo. Yeah, Virgo. I'm hearing death spells. Ooh, Virgo. Ooh, Virgo. Something here was forbidden. And somebody could be sick behind it or even bedridden. Great fortune in the reverse. This is like destiny. So somebody's destined. So something was blocked from your destiny. Official person, the privileged lady. I feel like this official person could be your divine partner or protector. With the number 22 here, this is a number of the flesh. So I feel like the attack, Virgo, on your love life, access was denied. Access was denied. Okay, period. That's just the message here. Access was denied. Okay, you have always been 007 Godspeed. That's the big secret. That's the big secret. You're the secret weapon. That's what it say down here in yellow, secret weapon. Expect to see number 1777, 1712. Virgo, I feel like something happens for you quickly. I do. I feel like you get blessed for all your hardships, for all that you've endured in the spirit. Yeah. Yeah, for all that you've endured in the spirit. Something comes full circle for you. I'm hearing watch it play out. Yep, look what's on the flip side. Nacho cheese. You are spot on. You are on target. So Virgo, in case you was wondering, is something to be wavered? That's artificial intel. You're right where you're spot on. Virgo, in the background, yep, we got pathway. In the background, there's something that you're not to worry about. There's something happening in the background while you're in the midst of whatever this is. And I feel like it reaches, I'm hearing your tongue. So it's something that you could have spoke about or something that you're going to speak on. Or this could also be something on your mind, something you want to say. I feel like if this is something that you want to say, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Act like, oh, okay, I didn't even know. Yeah, act like I didn't even know. I didn't even know, because you're in the midst of rising like the phoenix. You in the midst of rising like the phoenix. The number 6s and 12s are very prominent in your reading. Destiny is upon you. You're no longer waiting. I hope the volume's up on my phone. 1818. It sounds just right. Turn me up if you can't hear me. Put your headphones on. Best sounded with headphones. Wow. We got ancient root work here. Some ancient root work here. Okay, so something has to do with scripts and scrolls. You're receiving knowledge in your sleep while you rest. In the spirit, you're receiving spiritual information. You're also receiving spiritual acknowledgement. There's a lot of deities. I'm hearing scorpions. Somebody could have a riverboat or be on a riverboat. Under the sea, SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay, you could have like ancestors that are like sea creatures. Ooh, that felt good. That shuffle felt good. You could feel like you was misplaced or gypped. Or you could feel like you're in a very uncomfortable state, but you're really right where you're supposed to be, even though things might feel topsy-turvy. Something prominent in your life could have transpired in 2004. Somebody could have went bankrupt, or you could have filed bankruptcy in 2004. Something comes full circle. You could be bathing a cat, an animal, a dog. There could be a car wash relevant. Something was, I want to say, caught or hindered or stopped or not pursued. Like something like came and went. Something opened and shut. Something was quick. Something could have only lasted for 8 months. We got the key here to number 33. Yeah, I'm right about that. There's some kind of acknowledgement. Or this could be startup. You could be getting approved for some startup funds. Or you could be starting this 2004, 2008. Somebody could drive a 2008 Dodge Avenger. Virgo, you could be recreating something from the past, or this could even be something you always wanted to do, you do. But somehow it comes from ancient, like, root work. Somebody's in their records. You got the key. You've unlocked your records, Virgo. Somebody here, like, and this would be how you all of a sudden are able to do something you never knew you could do. So you know you pulling this. I'm hearing access from a spiritual perception, from a spiritual realm. Let's say you never in your life braided before, never knew how to braid, didn't know nothing about braiding, couldn't get it, didn't understand the concept, and then all of a sudden you're braiding, and you're not only braiding, but you're braiding backwards. Like you're able to start the braid from the back of your nape and go all the way up to your crown. When you ain't never been able to braid. Like this is like something like that. Something you pull from your records. You now have access to something. Or before I was telling you there was some access that was denied. Somebody could have tried to access your records while you were in the midst of accessing your records. Do you understand? Yeah. In the reverse, the foundation lacks. It wasn't you. Look at Anubis is who we gonna read this as. Look how he looking at the staff like, wait a minute, this ain't even their staff. This is not the priestess that I know staff. This is not her language. This ain't how she speak. This ain't her voice. He or she, take it how it resonate. This is not her, so something got a closer look. Something had to take, so these ancient deities that protect you while you even sleep. Look, this is a tomb. Denied access. What I see in my mind's eye is one of these cards I made. It's called the daughter. You can, I'm hearing can't touch this. When you touch the daughter, you better be ready. You might cause an earthquake. The earth will shake when you come for the daughter. Which is why they was not allowed in the kingdom. Somebody here was denied from the kingdom. Somebody here, something is cloudy with a chance of meatballs. Yeah, what the fox say? Somebody real deceptive, sneaky energy. This person might got a 14-year-old. Could have a 9-year-old nephew. I hear uncle, 9-year-old uncle. How? It's possible. If you got a 9-year-old nephew, drop me a comment down below. I could believe that. Yep, somebody could be a twin. 13. I feel like these are ages, these numbers. Something could have transpired. Something, birth. You could have gave birth when you was 13. Or 18. Maybe when you was 13, or you dreamed of your life being a certain way. But then when you turned 18, you had a baby and things changed. Yeah, occupation. Main male. On the flip side, okay, so you had to like grow up quick. Could have slowed some things down for you. It came back out. It came back out. So there's, okay, so pay attention to the details. Okay, you could be signing a contract. Okay, these letters could be significant. R, L, J, G. I'm hearing you better call Tyrone. Something could be surrounding the LGBT community. My apologies if I said that wrong. I feel like they changed the name or something. Doves. Yeah, something got to do with some twins or same sex. Okay, but I feel like whatever this document is, this could even be an email. Somebody could be reaching out to you via email. Pay attention to how you feel when you read this email, Virgo. Because look at how this little boy looking at it. He's looking at it like, wow, that, I mean, every looks can be deceiving. Everything that glitter ain't gold. Whatever this is that's being presented, everything that glitter ain't gold. Yeah, I feel like one party benefits more than the other. Yep, thoughts, imprisonment. I feel like whoever this is that reaches out to you, they're very clever, very sneaky. In my mind's eye, I see the 7 of Swords and the 4 of Swords. It's like this, whoever this person is, they know that this email, or I'm hearing text now app, they know that whatever they is sending to you, they know it's conniving. But they gonna see if you gonna take the bait, imprisonment. Yeah, I seen the fox again. Be careful. Occupation, distant horizons. Somebody could do voiceovers. Somebody's going to reach out for a collaboration. That's what I feel like. I'm hearing do anything for clout. This will be something like you go ahead and agree to it, and then they get on, like this will be like 2 YouTubers going back and forth with each other, where it's like, yeah, you reach out to them and they like, yeah, I'll do it. And the next thing you know, somebody snakes somebody, where it's like they go around telling people false accusations or something, like, or something weird. Okay, so be wary of this. I feel like I'm hearing cleanup woman. I feel like something's going to have to be cleaned up, or the air is going to have to be cleaned up, or there's an apology. Pay attention to this email. Because something don't bear no fruit. Whatever this is, I'm hearing lopsided. It's completely one-sided. They're the only ones that benefit. You have no beneficial, I'm hearing securities here. Anything else for Virgo? All right, Virgo, we'll leave it here.